In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Genesis crystals in Genshin Impact through Shop. If you're a Genshin Impact fan, you know that Genesis crystals are an essential resource for enhancing your gaming experience. While you might be checking out Dab Arcade for this purchase, it's important to note that you can't buy them directly from there. The recommended approach is to use legitimate channels like the in-game store, the Hoyoverse top-up center, or third-party sites such as Shop. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to do this smoothly. First, let's head over to kodashop.com. Once there, you'll notice that it's an official and secure website that sells in-game credits for various games, including Genshin Impact. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site and that it's the official Kodashop page to avoid any potential scams. Now navigate to the section where you can purchase Genesis crystals. This is where you can start the process. Click on Genesis Crystals to view the available packages. You will find several options to choose from, each varying in quantity and price. Depending on your needs, select the package that best suits your gaming budget. Remember, more crystals can translate into a more enriched gaming experience, but it's always wise to stay within your spending limits. If you are purchasing from another country, Shop allows you to adjust the currency settings. This is a fantastic feature for international players as it helps you see exactly what you'll be paying in your native currency, avoiding any unpleasant surprises later in your bank statement. Simply look for the currency option and switch it to your local settings before proceeding. Next, you'll need to click on Southeast Asia if you're in that region or if that's where your in-game region is set. This step is crucial since the availability and prices of Genesis crystals may vary depending on your location. By selecting the correct regional server, you ensure that your purchase is seamlessly credited to your account. Once you've selected your package and adjusted your currency settings as needed, you'll be prompted to enter your in-game UID. Make sure you enter this correctly as it's how the system identifies your specific game account to ensure you receive the Genesis crystals. Double check your UID to avoid any mistakes. And that's it. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to make your secure payment, and soon those Genesis crystals will be added to your Genshin Impact account. With these crystals, you can unlock a variety of game-enhancing features and items. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now ready to boost your Genshin Impact adventure with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials. Happy gaming!